I usually don't like going on the pulleys like this in the front.
I was gonna say, it might help if we got an extra hand. We got a lot of weight in the vehicle right now.
We started off. You had to turn over.
Alrighty guys, we got a call for this Jeep Wagoneer, I believe. We're gonna see the easiest way to get them out of here. Hopefully there's a hitch, maybe. What was your name?
Major.
Major John, nice to meet you. Alrighty. These things are pretty heavy, huh? Yeah.
Hitch or no hitch?
I think so. Sweet. All right, so it's got a hitch on the back, so what I can do is put a receiver in it, hook a rope up to it, and I'd basically back you down onto the hard sand, and then you guys can shoot on out of here. I recommend to people, if you go south into, you know, Daytona, but it's much more hard packed, it's just really nasty up here on the north end.
Gotcha. About how far is that from here?
Like 10 minutes or so south. Not far, not far. Okay. Yeah. 20s hook up to that. So just use this. Can you give me that pretty piece? Thank you, sir. All right, so I'm just gonna want you in reverse and just have that wheel straight and give me a little bit of gas. I just want you to help me some. I'll do the most of the work and we'll try and get it backed up out of here, okay? All right. Keep going. No, wheel the other way was fine.
Appreciate it.
I'm gonna make sure he gets out of here. Hold on. All right, so go ahead and back it up some. Yep. So we're gonna have you straight with that ramp. We're gonna get everyone cleared out, okay. And then the key is momentum. Right. So you want to get a little bit of momentum while you're here on this hard stuff, and you'll glide right over it. All right. Give me like another 5-10 feet back, just so we got some space. That's neutral. There you go. Hold on. Hold on. All right, come on. Guys, hold on. 1 second. Hold on. I got him coming. Come on. Thank you, guys. Sweet. There you go, guys. See you. Back it up.
Wheels the wrong way.
Back it up, Becky. That thing sank so quick. Oh. You back it up with the wheel straight and you can probably get it out of here.
Okay, because we tried to go down there and it like the thing shut down on us, so we couldn't even get on. So they told me to come down here because the person was down here.
Yeah.
And I had to show them the receipt and everything. But down there, it's like way firmer.
All right, let's see if we can back you up. Just give it a little bit of gas in reverse. Yep, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Floor it. Oh my gosh. Wiggle the wheel a little bit. It's got no juice. That's wild. All right, hold on. Is that floored?
That's backwards.
In reverse floored though? That was all it had? Wow, okay. And you're in sand mud already. All right, try and roll it up just like a half foot.
Like
just a tiny bit. Yep, yep, yep. Just a tiny, tiny bit. All right, right there. Good.
You guys have like the best job ever, don't you?
It's not too bad.
Yeah.
My shoes are destroyed. Should have come out here barefoot. You live and you learn. All right, here we go, in reverse. Go, go, go. Oh my gosh. Dude, it has just got no power. All right, hold on. Go forward another foot again.
The gates are new, they look installed. I don't know why they did, but they're good now. They're useless.
Can't believe this thing is sinking so much. All right.
Yeah.
Go ahead. So many people in the car, no one wants to get out and help push. Stop. You notice that?
Yeah.
Straight up.
There.
I know. All right, forward a few feet. I was gonna say, it might help if we got an extra hand. We got a lot of weight in the vehicle right now. All right, here we go.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Oh yeah.
What is that? F-card pan flip. Oh, that is straight concrete. Oh, let's go. I made that.
Oh yeah. Well.
There we go. Push them out.
Oh yeah.
Meanwhile. What's up, y'all? We are cruising down south. There's a gentleman down here who's got a Jeep that is not functioning. I'm not sure what's wrong with it, but he needs us to pull it dead weight off of the beach and up to the ramp so it can be towed. So we're on our way to get them and help them get off of the beach.
I don't know what happened, but it just shut off.
Oh, it just like died. Electronics
Died.
just stopped,
When you start it off, it'll turn over.
but no ignition, no. Yep.
Yeah, the starter turns over, but it won't. The engine don't crank.
Oh.
That's
Put
wild.
it forward drive neutral.
And take the transfer out. And you can hook right there. That's
You pull on this, right?
yeah, you pull on that.
Okay. All right.
Pull up. How about motorhome all the time?
Yeah, I think that's what I'll go around with my soft shackle, and then
Go out of that, you tow
yep.
the winch, you tow anywhere.
yeah.
Go out of that there.
Honestly, I think I like it in here. All right, let me get my stuff and get you hooked up. We'll get you out of here.
Take that much. They're gonna come and pick it up at the exit.
Okay.
I'm trying to get to the exit.
Yeah, we gotta get you there so they can get you.
Oh yeah.
We gotta get you there so they can get you there. Thank you. We do a YouTube channel and stuff, so there's. We do a YouTube channel and Facebook channel, so there's some people that recognize us that'll drive by.
Oh yeah.
So they're hollering out at us.
I bet. Oh, use you a lot.
Oh yeah, in the summer we're pretty busy.
Oh yeah.
Trust me, you don't want to look.
I went around both of them. There's a bigger, stronger one in the back, so I'm comfortable with that. I usually don't like going on the pulleys like this in the front, but this one looks like it's on there really good. Just around.
Yeah. Come on, start. No, I'm gonna be up like McDermott exit. You guys told me up to the exit right now.
All right. All right, maybe we'll put the Yankum cam on to watch us move. We're just gonna roll with these guys. Now, I could try a jump box on them and stuff, but if he's got power, he just doesn't have ignition. It'll crank over, it just won't start. All right, here we go. Go ahead and jump in, Christian.
On the asphalt, the guy's towing us up right now.
Okay, I'm about 15 minutes away.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Oh, it's good timing.
Sounds good. In neutral?
Yeah,
and
neutral, transfers in neutral.
good. And without any power, it's going to be a little bit tough to turn. I'll go nice and wide and slow when we get to the ramp to
Okay.
pull you up, okay?
Thank you.
Sounds good.
You're welcome. Here we go. I'm not going to put a locker on, but I am going to go in low just to make it easier. Come up on it nice and easy. Come out nice and wide on this one, so him with no power steering and no power to turn out. Tucked right up on the side over here. Enough room for him, the people can get around him, and enough room for the tow truck to get around in front of him.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Like butter.
All right, man, appreciate it.
Absolutely.
You're a veteran, huh?
Yes, sir.
Me too.
Thank you for your
31
service.
years. Oh, no.
No, we appreciate it.
Oh, all right.
Thank
I
you
love
so
my
much.
veterans, man. I do anything for my vets.
We appreciate you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Y'all be blessed.
Appreciate it.
Hope y'all have a great day. Hope it gets better.
Yeah. He's like, no. All right, here we go.
Another one down.
On the road again.
I can't wait to get on the road again. Like and subscribe to Santo. They're the best.
Subscribe to Santo and you'll see all these awesome videos.
Subscribe to